What if the caller passes 2 arguments, or 20? Python has an answer. Suppose you want to write a function that adds any number of numbers together. You cannot declare a separate parameter for each one. You do not know how many there will be. The function is named total. The star before args collects all positional arguments into a tuple. The body uses the built-in sum function on that tuple. Returns the sum back to the caller. 2 arguments. 5 arguments. 1 argument. The same function handles all of them. Inside the function, args is a tuple containing whatever was passed. Three, 15, 10. Each call passed a different number of arguments and the function handled all of them correctly. Double star kwargs does the same thing for keyword arguments. Instead of a tuple, it collects them into a dictionary where the keys are the parameter names and the values are the values passed. The function is named describe. The double star before kwargs collects keyword arguments into a dict. The body loops over the dictionary items and prints each pair. No return value needed here, we just print. The caller passes 3 keyword arguments. Inside the function they arrive as a dictionary. This lets the caller provide any combination of named values without the function needing to declare them all up front. Three lines printed, 1 for each keyword argument passed by the caller. The function did not know in advance which keys it would receive. You can use both star args and double star kwargs in the same function. The order is normal parameters first, then star args, then keyword only, then double star kwargs. 1 and 2 are positional. They go into the args tuple. X equals 3 and Y equals 4 are keyword. They go into the kwargs dictionary. Positional arguments collected into a tuple. Keyword arguments collected into a dictionary. Both available inside the function body at the same time. Star args captures all positional arguments as a tuple. The body can use that tuple like any other sequence. Calling with 3 arguments, 1, 2, 3, packs them into the tuple. The function computes the sum of all of them. Star args and double star kwargs unlock a whole class of flexible APIs. Next episode is about scope, where Python looks for variable names and in what order. There is a 4-level lookup chain you absolutely need to understand before you write any function that touches outer variables.